Hey everyone, welcome to an epic drone tour of South Korea's natural and architectural marvels. Buckle up for a breathtaking journey through some of the most stunning landscapes and iconic structures this beautiful country has to offer. First up, let's soar over Jeju Island. Known as the Hawaii of Korea, Jeju is home to volcanic craters, lush forests, and stunning coastlines. The drone captures the majestic Seongsan Ilchulbong Peak, also known as Sunrise Peak, which offers an unbeatable sunrise view. The turquoise waters and rolling green hills are simply mesmerizing. Next, we head to the bustling city of Seoul. As the drone glides over the Han River, you'll see a blend of modern skyscrapers and ancient palaces. The Gyeongbokgung Palace, with its traditional architecture and serene gardens, stands as a magnificent reminder of Korea's rich history. Watch as the drone sweeps through the vibrant streets of Myeongdong, capturing the energy and excitement of this iconic shopping district. Now, let's venture into the serene beauty of Nami Island. This tiny half-moon-shaped island is a paradise for nature lovers. The drone flies over tree-lined paths, stunning gardens and tranquil rivers, showcasing the island's natural splendor. In autumn, the fiery hues of the foliage make it look like a scene from a fairy tale. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Demilitarized Zone, or DMZ. This unique area, which separates North and South Korea, is a place of great historical significance. The drone captures the eerie yet fascinating landscape, offering a glimpse into a place that's both a symbol of division and hope for reunification. Finally, we conclude our tour with a flight over the stunning Haeundaebeach in Busan. With its golden sands and bustling boardwalk, it's the perfect place to unwind and take in the beauty of the Korean coastline. The drone captures the waves crashing against the shore, surfers riding the waves, and the vibrant nightlife that comes alive as the sun sets. I hope you enjoyed this epic drone tour of South Korea. From its natural wonders to its architectural feats, this country offers something truly special for every traveler. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired. Thanks for watching.